Meaning of delta wing.
Delta wing.
Delta wing.
Delta wing.
Delta wing. A delta wing is a triangular-shaped wing used in aircraft design. Its name comes from its shape, which resembles the Greek letter delta, delta. Delta wings provide high maneuverability and stability at high speeds, making them ideal for supersonic and fighter aircraft. The shape of the wing also helps to reduce drag and increase lift, allowing for better performance in terms of speed and range. Overall, the delta wing design has proven to be an effective solution for high-speed military aircraft.